Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. And in this series that we like calling the free content writing course, we are going to talk about multiple things that will help you in your content writing career. The first episode, that is today, we are going to talk about the 5 things you should never do before applying for any content writing job. In this video, I'm going to talk about the mistakes that people make while applying for jobs and how you can eliminate those mistakes and of course make some new ones. The first thing to keep in mind when you are applying for a content writing job is that when you are applying for a job, read the description properly and carefully. Sometimes we just apply in the excitement or in the impulse of getting a job, and when we land in one, we end up regretting for the next few months or few years. The second thing to keep in mind is that when you are applying for a job, remember that the interviewer or the company who's hiring you has the right to ask you to give samples, changes in your resumes and all the little things that they look forward to. If you are applying to a company, the hiring process will be according to them and not according to you. So be open to that and give samples when required. The third thing, keep a content writer's portfolio ready with the samples, with your experience, and don't make it too flashy or too chamak dhamak. Keep it professional, formal, and at the same time unique and showing the true self that you are as a content writer. The fourth thing to keep in mind when you are applying for any content writing job is that never go ahead without a signed agreement from the company. A lot of times the inclusions and exclusions of a job are unclear, which lead to further arguments and problems in your company or in your job. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that while you're applying for any content writing job, do not think that content writing is a hobby and you can just take it over. You need to learn, you need to develop the skill, and then you need to go and apply for jobs. So my first and foremost suggestion after you watch this video is that go learn, develop your skills, and then go and apply for jobs. With that, we come to the end of the first episode of our free content writing course. For more, subscribe to our channel and the next episode comes out very soon. So, see you and happy learning and happy writing.